Assalamualaikum to everyone. Good evening to you all.
Walaikum assalam.
Walaikum
Good evening.
salam.
Thank you very much for calling me for this, business meet. I express my sincere thanks to the organizers and participants, everyone. Actually, my name is Anwar Sadath. I have completed my engineering in PSG College of Technology. I completed my MBA in IGNO, MPhil with in Tamil Nadu, and now I am doing my PhD in international business. Okay, let us come to the Saudi Arabia battery business market. Actually, Saudi Arabia, there is a lot of opportunities in the car and truck batteries and storage batteries. Now, what is the situation in the market? Let us discuss. Presently, there is 10 to 11 million vehicles in Saudi Arabia, which include car and trucks and commercial batteries and all the equipment vehicles like this. And every year, the vehicle population increase around 4 to 5% every year. The vehicle population also increasing in Saudi Arabia. So all these vehicles, they need batteries. Mostly 40 to 50% of vehicle or more than 50% of the vehicles, they have to replace the batteries on every year basis. Saudi Arabia, there are two factories are available in automotive batteries. One is MEPCO. It is a Middle East battery company situated, located in Dammam. It is started in 1997 with a technical partnership with Clarios, which is an American-based company. So this factory manufactures around 2.5 million to 3 million batteries. And out of this, locally they are distributing around 50% of their capacity, and remaining 50% they export to all the other GCC countries, Asian countries, and also the African countries. The second factory is National Factory, which is located in Riyadh. So this factory started in 1988, and this manufactures around 2 to 2.5 million batteries. Same like MEPCO, this also 50% they use in Saudi Arabia, and remaining 50% they export to other countries. Now, the National Battery Company, they manufacture all the car batteries and truck batteries, also the storage batteries. But the factory MEPCO, they manufacture only car batteries. These are all the present situation in Saudi Arabia market. So what are all the opportunities available in Saudi Arabia market? Let us discuss. There is no big commercial battery factory in Saudi Arabia. Also, there is no storage batteries, VRLA, AGM, and gel batteries, also lithium batteries in Saudi Arabia market. Saudi Arabia import every year around 3 million batteries. This is from China, Vietnam, Malaysia, South Korea, Germany, Poland, Czech Republic, and India, Bangladesh, like these countries. So all these batteries required SABER SASO certification. It is a quality standard to import to the Saudi Arabia market. So all the car batteries imported from other countries, they have the standard 15% custom duty. Also, some countries, there is anti-dumping duty. For example, South Korea, it is from 12 to 25%. From India and Turkey, it is around from 8 to 40%. The anti-dumping duty to the Chinese batteries and Malaysia batteries, it will be finalized soon. So there is Saudi government, they are encouraging continuously to the investors and entrepreneurs open the factory in Saudi Arabia. Not only the factory, also we can proceed with assembly lines also. All the investors and the entrepreneurs can tie up with big manufacturing factories with the different countries for their technological transfer, and many factories they are ready to do their technology transfer to the Saudi Arabia if anybody interested to set up the country factory in Saudi Arabia. All these batteries, 90% of the batteries are sealed maintenance free batteries, SMF batteries. 10% of the batteries are EFB batteries, gel batteries, AGM batteries, and also lithium batteries. So Saudi Arabia now, there is a very big opportunity
Brother
for,
Anwar,
yeah.
yes, are you sharing some screen
No,
or you are speaking directly?
I'm speaking directly.
Okay, okay. I thought your screen is not. Okay.
Now it's visible.
I think you are not sharing
Yes,
any
visible,
screen,
brother.
right?
Yes,
Yeah, I'm
yes.
not sharing any
Yes,
screen.
yes. You are visible, yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
thank you. So all the investors from India all over the world, they are studying in Saudi Arabia, opening the factories, the car batteries, truck batteries, also the latest technology, lithium batteries for electric car batteries, and storage batteries for solar applications, all those things. The Saudi government, they have a lot of industrial estate to open the batteries like eastern area, western area, central area, northern and southern area. Different industrial cities are there. The Saudi government, for the opening the car batteries and truck batteries, when I check, they are ready to give 20 years leasing for the land. Saudi Riyal, 3 Riyal per square meter, whatever the area of land required, the government is ready to give for the 20 years leasing. The electricity charges for the factory, it is almost 0.18 kilowatt hour. So that means it is 0.048 USD per kilowatt hour. It is much cheaper than India. India, the industrial electricity rate is USD 0.122 per kilowatt hour. And all other transportation, the port which is available in Jeddah and Dammam. So most of the batteries we can suggest we can open in Dammam and Jeddah area. Presently, I am in mediating. I'm consulting the lithium plant factory to open in Jeddah with Chinese companies with a local partnership. So any of the people in our group, they interested, they can discuss with Sypa, and there is a lot of opportunities coming in Saudi Arabia, especially for the lithium batteries. So it is a good time to open a factory or assembly plant in Saudi Arabia. So this is what my small study and opportunities regarding the batteries in Saudi Arabia market.